Vanessa Lau's courage to leave her corporate job helped me to launch my coaching business. Hi, it's Clara here for ClaraChong.co. Vanessa is one of my mentors and I absolutely respect her. A corporate escapee who managed to build a 7-figure business in just 2 years, which also means that if she can do it, I can do it and you can definitely do it too. I've learned 2 important life principles from her. The first principle is to treat failure as a feedback. Back in 2017, I grasped the opportunity of running a boutique business in order to accomplish my high school dream. I was a young, dumb, broke business owner. All the monies I've earned was stuck in the inventories. What's the point of looking so lavish in front when you're just internally broke? In October 2019, I've made the toughest decision ever in my life to close my boutique store. That moment, I had 2 choices. It's either I treat it as a complete failure that I was just a failed business owner and choose to work for someone else my entire life, or I treat my failure as a feedback. I then moved my store online, worked my ass off consistently, and my profit started to increase to earning $2,000 per day now. So don't let failure to determine who you are. Treat it as a feedback and improve from it. The second principle I have learned from Vanessa is done is better than perfect. Have you ever had this moment when you see a new product launch and then you start telling yourself, oh my God, that was my idea. I have thought about it. The keyword here is thought. So you thought about it, but you were too scared to implement. You wanted to make it perfect before you take action. Guess what? That person who actually executed it faster than you is gaining popularity and gaining profit. And you are still the same old you. So don't be a perfectionist, be a progressionist. I hope you find this helpful. Remember to like, comment, and share this video. And if you want similar video like this, then stick around.